Okay, to assemble the Tulip magazine rack, you're going to just take the pieces, lay them out. You got the bottom panel like that. You're going to take the two side panels and put your bottom panel in the slots just loosely like that, and then take your center piece with the curve is at the top. Line up your holes on the sides, and then just take your little nuts and put them loosely on the sides. You don't want to tighten them too much because you have to have some room to get these other side panels in. Okay, and then take your side panels, find the holes on the sides, line them up, and you're going to have to pull out a little bit. Just don't want to lose that bottom panel. Line up the holes on each side. Yeah. And then the last one. Just pull out the side enough so you can get them together. Tighten them up. Then add all your nuts and make sure they're threaded. They're threading smoothly. Don't force them in there if they're not lined up. You don't want to strip them. And just hand tighten them if you want. You can use a little pliers if you want to tighten them up even tighter. And that's it.